Let's begin with an overview of built-in modules in Node.js. This is an introduction to Node.js core modules. So, what exactly are built-in modules? These are pre-installed modules that come with the Node.js runtime environment. This means there's no need to install them separately. They are ready to use with the require function and provide core functionality for your applications. Core modules can be grouped into several categories. The first category is the file system. This includes modules for file operations and directory management. The second category includes network modules for creating HTTP servers and for network communication. The third category is utilities for path handling and other system utilities. Let's explore the file system, or FS module. This module provides file system operations for Node.js applications. It allows you to read and write files, create directories, and handle file permissions. Here are some examples using the FS module. First, reading files. The code shows how to use the fs.readFile function to read the contents of a file named data.txt. Second, writing files. The code shows how to use the fs.writeFile function to write the string hello world to a file named output.txt. Let's take a look at the path module. This module includes utilities for working with file and directory paths. It allows you to join path segments, resolve absolute paths, and extract file extensions. Here are some examples using the path module. First, joining paths. The code shows how to use the path.join function to join the path segments users, John, and documents to create a full path. Second, file extensions. The code shows how to use the path.xName function to extract the extension name from the file name app.js. Also, it shows path.basename to extract the file name. Now let's look at the HTTP module. This module is used to create HTTP servers and handle web requests. It allows you to build web servers, handle HTTP requests, and send HTTP responses. Here's an example using the HTTP module to create a basic HTTP server. The code shows how to use the http.createServer function to create a server that listens on port 3000 and responds with Hello World. There are some other important modules in Node.js. The first one is the operating system, or OS module, which provides operating system utilities and information. The second one is the util module, which includes utility functions for debugging and formatting. The third one is the events module, which is an event emitter for building event-driven apps. There are two common ways to import modules in Node.js. The first way is using the CommonJS syntax using the require function. The second way is using ES6 modules using the import keyword. To summarize, built-in modules provide core functionality. No installation is required as they are ready to use. They are essential for file operations, networking, and utilities. Next, we will explore each module in detail. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.